everybody, welcome. So today's practice, we're going to focus on shoulder mobility and upper arm strength. Okay, it's going to be a dynamic practice. Get up and go, seize the day. Okay, let's begin. Stand in Tadasana. Okay, stabilize, steady yourself here. Lift your kneecaps, lift your thighs, move your thighs back, and in addition to moving your thighs back, move the midline of your buttock forward. Now lift your chest, extend strongly down through your arms. Keep your face soft, breathe, Tadasana. Okay, now from your Tadasana, raise one arm up for Urdhva Hastasana, right arm up. Reach up there, and from your wrist, lift your waist, okay? Extend, up, 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 up. And then as you lower that right arm down, raise the left arm up, and again, extend. Lengthen your side trunk. And then again, lower that arm, raise the other arm up, reach, and again, switch, reach up. See if you can create space, more space between each row of ribs. And keep repeating this a few more times. As you lower one arm, raise the other arm up. And then again, switch, lift and lengthen. Switch, lift and lengthen. One more round, reach up, make yourself even, and then lower both arms down. Tadasana. Okay, now let's go for full Urdhva Hastasana. Reach your arms to the side. Turn your palms up. Roll your shoulders down. Now extend strongly into your fingers and maintaining this rotation in your arms. Roll them back. Raise your straight arms up. Reach up, lift and lengthen. And once again, from the wrists, lift all the way up from the waist. Extend, Urdhva Hastasana. Straighten your arms completely, and then with that rotation in the upper arms, roll the outer upper arm skin forward and find for yourself that width across the upper back. Urdhva Hastasana. And then release, arms by your side, chest up, Tadasana, stabilize here. Okay, we'll repeat this now, Urdhva Hastasana, and let's see where you're at here, okay? If I'll give just a few, a little bit of context here. I'm working today with the legs together. If that's available for you, then by all means, work with the legs together. If you're finding balance is an issue, lower back is cranky, also sometimes when the shoulders are really stiff, when the shoulders are really stiff, if you take your legs a little bit apart, it can help give you access. So feel free to experiment with the placement of your legs. And as we repeat Urdhva Hastasana right now, we're also going to experiment with bringing the palms closer together. Okay, so this also will depend on your structure. So see how close together can you get the arms, the wrists, without bending the elbows. Okay, so maybe for you it's out here, maybe for you it's here, and maybe you can come all the way together, right? We will work towards palms touching, wrists touching, and reaching up. Okay, so check it out with that in mind, with that, where are we going? That trajectory, okay? So stand in Tadasana. You make your choice, feet a little bit apart, all the way apart there, or right together. And now reach your arms to the side. Broaden across your collarbones, broaden across your upper back. Now roll your palms to face the ceiling and roll your shoulder blades down your back. Now reach into your middle fingers more, spread there. Maintain this width, maintain this rolling action of the upper arms, and raise your straight arms up. Raise them up. Now look up and see. Are your palms facing each other or did they start to face forward? rotate those upper arms, reach higher, 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 and see how close can you get your palms. Okay, then lower your head down and out of the way, and see, can they come a little closer? Squeeze the back of your head with your upper arms, and if your palms touch, as soon as they touch, lift up more, 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 then press your head back, head back, head back, and then release, undo yourself, Tadasana. Find your breath. Okay, let's go again. Same idea, working towards palms together. Okay, reach your arms to the side, turn your palms up, roll your shoulders down, and now let's start this time with the head down and out of the way. Okay, head down, out of the way, roll the shoulders back, extend into the middle fingers, raise your arms up, Urdhva Hastasana, lift up through the side trunk. From the wrists, lift the waist, keep going, keep going, keep going. Squeeze the back of your head with your upper arms, and as soon as the palms touch, lift even higher. Then press your head back against your palms, against your arms, and open the thoracic area, the upper back. As your head goes back, can you open the chest even more, even more? Urdhva Namaskarasana, right? That's the name of the pose, with the palms together and arms up like that. All right, release, Tadasana. Okay, moving along, let's go next to Utkatasana. Okay, to begin, start with your feet a little bit apart, and then from here, raise your arms up, Urdhva Hastasana, lift up. And just as we've been doing before, from your wrists, lift the side waist, extend up. Now lift all 10 toes up, pound into your heels, and bend your knees, Utkatasana. Press your arms back, open your chest. Pressurize your heels strongly down there. See that your knees are not coming together, but tracking straight forward. And then again, arms back, chest open. And then push into your heels, stand back up, lower your arms down, Tadasana. Okay, from here, start with your feet a little bit apart and raise your arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Remember the work we've been doing so far. Rotate those upper arms, right? Rotate the outer upper arm skin forward. Find the width across your upper back. You can again look up, see, are the palms facing each other? And then from the wrist, lift even more. Now shift your weight more onto your heels. So sometimes if you lift the toes, that will help you out, right? Shift the weight onto the heels and bend your knees, Utkatasana. Sit down there, reach the buttocks back, move your arms back, open your chest. And then push into your heels, stand back up, lower your arms down. Find your breath, inhale, exhale. Okay, one thing to pay attention to in your Utkatasana is that when you're bending your knees, you want to see that the legs are tracking, the knees are tracking straight forward. So when you're working with the legs apart, you don't have the benefit of pushing one leg against the other, right? So from here, just see, are your knees going straight forward? Okay, one more time, just as we've done it, legs a little bit apart, Tadasana in the legs. Okay, raise your arms up, Urdhva Hastasana, rotate your outer upper arm skin forward, extend higher and higher. Now pressurize your heels strongly down and tracking the knees forward, dip down, bend, bend, and again, arms back, chest open. Can you get the tip of those shoulder blades into the body even more? And then push into your heels, stand back up, lower your arms down, join your legs, Tadasana. Okay, next attempt here, join your legs, extend your arms to the side, and now Lift into Urdhva Hastasana from the sideways position. So turn your palms up, roll your shoulders back and down, and as if you're lifting something really heavy, raise your arms up, straight arms up, reach up, lift the sides of your body any amount. And then from here, lift your toes, pound those heels, and Utkatasana, bend your knees. Move those arms back, chest open. Pressurize your heels strongly, and then stand yourself back up. Lower your arms down, Tadasana. Okay, let's attempt it. Feet together, palms together. So now in this variation here, you're going to start again with the head down, and then raise the arms up like so. Okay, you'll push back against yourself, and from there, we'll bend the knees. Okay, so Tadasana, arms to the side, turn your palms up, roll your shoulders back and down, lower your head down, and now like you're lifting something heavy, raise those straight arms, lift. Make your arm end not at the armpit, but at the waist, and really lift, 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 lift. With straight arms completely, squeeze the back of your head. If in doing so the palms touch, then as soon as they touch, lift even more. Now maintain this, and again, pressurize the heels, bend your knees, then push your head back against your arms, and see, can you open your chest more, more, more. Push into your heels, stand back up, lower your arms, Tadasana. Breathe. Okay. So we're going to see if we can continue to work into this area here, see if we can access it. There is stiffness there for everyone, right? Okay, so what I want you to do next is place a brick, could be a foam block or a wooden block, brick block, at the end of your mat here on the tallest elevation. And we're going to use this as a way of working into the side chest and seeing if we can get a little bit more availability, access to our Namaskarasana. Okay, so here, lay yourself down on your abdomen, and I have intentionally placed my brick on the floor as opposed to the rubber because I like the idea of possibly being able to slide it even further away. Okay, so if you have that option, go for it. And then place your wrists. Make sure the wrist is stable. You're not hanging off the brick like this, but the wrist itself is stable up on your brick there. And then lower your head down, and just like you were doing in your Utkatasana, squeeze the back of your head and join your palms. Okay, I suspect it'll be a little more available here, so you can work with that. And then once your arms are in position, your head is down, then slide that brick away as if you could slide it, right? Reach there. And can you open your side chest, your armpit region more and more? Okay, reach, reach, reach. Extend there. Okay, while you're at it, may as well broaden the back of your thighs, right? You can push the feet down, and then more and more push your palms together, the wrists together, and extend the wrists away. Okay, the small finger side of my wrist seems to always want to separate. So every once in a while, I'm just scooping it under again, trying to get that to touch, and then reach, 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 reach. Breathe into it, spend a little bit of time here, and with each exhalation, can you get your shoulder blades to attach themselves more strongly onto the back? Okay, you have gravity here working in your favor. And as you're in this position, the armpits open and the shoulder blades that's what I mean by attach onto the body. They fall into place onto the body with time. Okay, so be there for a bit. You can take breaks as needed, but do go for a little bit here of duration in this prone namaskarasana. Prone namaskarasana. Reach away. Squeeze the back of your head. Cut that outer upper arm skin in this orientation down to the floor, and again push the bricks. Reach away. Okay, and then release, complete it, and then push yourself back upright. Okay, now you're going to go one more time for Utkatasana after that prone variation and see how you do. Okay, stand in Tadasana and reach your arms to the side. Roll your palms up to the ceiling, shoulders down, and lower your head. From here, Urdhva Hastasana, raise your arms up and then see how close can you get those arms without bending in the elbows, without bending. And then squeeze the back of your head, join your wrists. Now push your head up, 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 open the chest, and then pressurize your heels and bend your knees, Utkatasana. Move your head back, arms back, open your chest any amount. And then push into your heels, stand back up, and then lower your arms. Tadasana. Breathe.